Hearts by Ted Arnold. I just don't know what's going on or why it has to be, but every day is something worse. What's happening to me? I think it was 3 days ago I first became aware that in my comb were caught a couple pieces of my hair. I stared at them amazed and more and just a bit appalled to think that I was only 5 and starting to go bald. Then later on, I don't recall exactly when it was, I lifted up my shirt and found this little piece of fuzz. What do you think? What he's pointing at? What body part is this? Yes. If you said belly button, you are correct. I stared at it, amazed and wondered, what's this all about? But then I understood it was my stuffing coming out. Next day, when I was outside playing with the water hose, I saw the little bits of skin were peeling from my toes. I stared at them, amazed, and then I gave a little groan to think that pretty soon I might be peeled down to my bone. Then yesterday before my bath, as I took off my clothes, a chunk of something gray and wet fell right out of my nose. I stared at it, amazed, and thought, I should be feeling pain. Well, wouldn't you if you just lost a little piece of brain? So here he think he lost a piece of his brain. Do you think he lost a piece of his brain? No, he didn't lose a piece of his brain. So now today I'm sitting here enjoying Dr. Seuss, and suddenly I realize a tooth is coming loose. I wiggle it, amazed, dismayed, too horrified to speak. Without my teeth, how can I eat? Already I feel weak. Now I'm really worried. I'm as scared as I can be, 'cause finally what's happening is very clear to see. The glue that holds our parts together isn't holding me. And now I'm thinking to myself, what's next in line to go? Might be my ears, might be my eyeballs. How a kid to know? One day I might be playing ball and have my arm fall off, or maybe I could lose my head if suddenly I cough. Do you think he might lose his head if he cough? No, can't lose your head if you cough. Quite soon I'll be in pieces, in a pile without a shape. Thanks goodness Dad keeps lots and lots and lots of masking tape. So he think all his body parts gonna fall off, like Mr. Potato Head we have in our class. Do you think his body parts gonna fall off like Mr. Potato Head? No, I don't think so. I think he just overthinking. What? You forgot to tell me my teeth fall out, and when they do, some brand new teeth will soon begin to sprout. My hair, my skin, and everything, there's nothing I should fear. So all of me is normal. Woo, that's really good to hear. Then tell me, what's this yellow stuff I got out of my ear? So now he's worried about what's the yellow stuff he got out his ear. Guys, what do you think that might be? So to your parents, what can this might be? Do you think he's falling apart again? Let's see. The end.